Hey guys, so I wanted to pop on here and do a dramatic winged eye look that I think would be perfect for a night out. And I'm going to be using the makeup hack that uses tape to create a perfect clean winged eye. So if that sounds good to you, keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, I make makeup related content, specifically focused on Monolid makeup tutorials. I also do beauty product reviews, and I also like to make funny, relatable shorts. Because hey, I think we could all use a good laugh these days. So if that sounds good to you, feel free to subscribe. So let's just dive right in. Okay, starting off by prepping and priming my face with Lancome Teint Idole Foundation and Concealer. Then I'm going to prime my eyes with About Face Eyeshadow Primer. Today I'm going to be using the Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette. So I'm going in first with the foundational base shade of Stranger and applying that all over my lids. Okay, now comes the fun part. So you're going to want to apply tape where you're going to be drawing your eyeliner wing and apply it on each side. And essentially this is going to help you kind of scope out where you're going to draw the wing, and it's going to give you the cleanest, sharpest winged liner, trust me. Okay, now I'm going with Rumor Mill and concentrate that on the outer edges to create a smoked out eye look. Okay, now I'm going with Magnetic Moon, the super pretty frosty silvery shade, and apply that with my finger for maximum effect. Okay, now I'm going to take an inkle brush and go in with Rock Bottom and line my eyes as well as create an extended wing. And it's totally okay if you're not very precise, because you'll see, once you remove the tape, it'll give you the sharpest, cleanest winged liner. Okay, now it's the moment you've been waiting for. Time to take off the tape, and as you can see, it gives you the cleanest, sharpest winged liner, and it's super easy as well. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with Rumor Mill and apply that to the lower lash line to create some balance and congruency. Okay, now I'm going to go with my Fenty Beauty highlighter and use it as eyeshadow. So I'm going to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bone. Okay, now I'm going in with my Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Lining Pen and just lining my lids. I think the liquid liner pops more than the angled brush and the eyeshadow. Okay, time to curl my lashes using my Shiseido eyelash curler. Okay, here I am going in with my go-to mascara at the moment, which is the Lancome Hypnose Drama and Waterproof. Okay, I've said this time and time again, but the Too Faced Mary Mary makeup palette has such an awesome built-in blush and highlighter. So this one I'm using is Candyland, and it gives you such a nice rosy flush. And here I am using the built-in highlighter called Making Spirits Bright. Does anyone else get just an instant boost in mood when you see anything holiday themed still? I do. I also really like this one shade in the palette. It's called Winter Wonderland, and it's just such a nice frosty icy hue, and I use it to highlight my inner corners, my brow bone, and I also like to place some on the tip of my nose. Okay, time to work on the lips. So right now I'm applying my Urban Decay Vice lipstick in 1993, and yes, I'm running very low on this, so Ulta, please feature this in your 21 Days of Beauty sale. And can't forget the gloss, so I'm using the Lancome L'Absolu lip gloss. Okay, so this is the finished look, and yes, I changed into a top and some earrings I think go nicely with this look. Yeah, this look didn't take me that long. It's relatively easy as well, and definitely try the tape makeup hack. It gives you the cleanest wings, and it's super easy, but you just gotta trust the process, because yes, you will look ridiculous with tape on your face, but it really does work. And I also want to give a special mention that this is such a good palette if you're in the market looking for an eyeshadow palette to create smoky eye looks. This one I highly recommend. It's called the Colourpop Stone Cold Fox, and it has just a bunch of great shades to create a nice smoky eye, but this one I always go for because I like a nice gray shade. I like Rumor Mill, and this one is super pretty. Magnetic Moon is so frosty glossy, so pigmented. Yeah, highly recommend this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and let me know if you try it out. Thanks for watching.